got so much. I've got so many Martha Diaries to go through. My drive-throughs we've had to Kettering in the past.
Yes.
It's so much material. It's going to be going for months after you've passed your test.
It's going to have to, isn't it?
It's going to have to.
Give everybody what they want.
Then we've got Pass Plus to do.
Yes.
That's going to be fun. All you got to do a Pass Plus. You know what you got to do?
Drive.
Pass.
Yeah. If a test comes up.
If a test comes up. It'd be nice, wouldn't it? I got a feeling you might get a ping soon.
Yeah. I hope so.
You got access to my calendar, haven't you?
Yes.
Superb.
I'm trying to think of anything in my life has happened.
You're loving life?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good to hear. You still got lots of people pestering you going, hello Martha.
Yeah.
What are we going to do about your vlogging? What are you going to vlog about?
I don't know, I'm scared.
You're scared?
Yes,
Why are you
because I don't
scared?
have that many followers.
Well, this is why we need to get people over to your TikTok account.
Yes.
And we need to put a video on there, don't we?
Go follow it.
Now, have you ever thought about being an influencer?
I want to be an influencer.
Great. You could start off by selling my car lights.
Yes. Yes, we've spoken about
You're
that.
going to do that, and we're going to put it on as a Martha
TikTok shop.
TikTok shop. Yeah, so that's what we're going to do. You're going to become an influencer. If you're going to become a TikTok star, which I think you could, Martha, you've got to become an influencer.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yes.
You can start by influencing selling some lights. I'm going to give you a cut of the commission. How about that?
Yeah, okay.
If you can do it.
That's a good deal.
I'm on a diet challenge
Right.
with Danny from Danny's
Driving.
Liverpool Scouse, like he calls himself. And we're meeting, well, there's a few of us instructors on TikTok meeting up for a go-karting weekend.
Yes, you've told me
Told you about that. But I've got to lose 8 kilograms before that weekend.
Is that a lot?
Yes. And Danny's got to lose 10.
Okay, so you've got to lose less. That's already a good start, isn't it? Is it a competition?
Well, no, Danny's starting as a percentage. Danny's got to lose. Hello, keep going then. That's your blocker.
Yeah.
I think you. Okay, you heard on the side of caution there, but I think
Yeah.
if you'd gone for that, I would have marched you down. Put it that way.
Okay.
That's you're having a driving lesson after all, aren't we?
We do just chat.
I know. Do you know what though? With all seriousness, isn't that what you do when you pass your test?
Totally.
So aren't you driving like you'll be
Sometimes
driving
I
with
forget,
friends?
like we actually I'm in a driving lesson.
And that is good.
Yeah.
Because it means you're driving naturally. I'm here to jump in if necessary,
Yeah, if necessary.
which occasionally
And
have to.
just like tell me what I'm doing wrong sometimes. But I never do anything wrong. I'm just perfect and it's all hard.
So as a percentage,
Yeah, sorry.
I have a lot more percentage to lose than Danny.
Right.
Because Danny's starting off as a higher
Do you think
number.
I should go or wait?
Go for it. I mean, if you swap seats with that person, do you really think?
Oh no, they're driving a snail pace.
Well, they're miles away, aren't they?
Yeah. Right, sorry, carry on. I interrupted you.
Yeah. So just drive properly. Get a story out, don't I? Stop driving like an idiot. You're ruining my stories. So Danny has got, I think Danny won't mind me saying, he's starting off at 100 and something kilograms.
And that's a lot. Well, I don't know what.
Well, he's about the same height.
I don't measure body weight in kilograms.
What do you measure it in?
Stone
Oh, okay.
or LB. What's
L-
LB?
Pounds.
Pounds.
Yeah. That's different from money pounds, of course, isn't it?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. I don't think it'll be worth much in money.
Do you know sometimes I like? Do you know how in a minute there's 60 seconds?
Yes.
But in a pound it's 100
100 what?
pence.
In a pound, yes.
I always get confused whether it's like
Or ounces or pennies.
whether they're like in a minute. Sometimes I'm like, okay, 100 seconds, and then it's like,
Oh, do you?
it's not
No, 60.
exactly.
60 seconds in a minute, Martha.
I know, that's what I mean.
And you get confused what? 100 what?
Like sometimes,
Pence?
no. Like sometimes I'm like, oh, 60p, perfect. I've got a pound,
Right.
and it's like, well, no, you haven't because you need another 40p. But because I think,
Was. Anyway, yeah, so by August,
okay, that's quite a while, isn't it? Is that
it's about 8 weeks, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's 8 weeks? Okay. Okay.
Okay. Well,
Now, what car was behind you, Martha, when you came up to that amber light?
van.
Eh?
a van,
So, how close was it to you?
not that close. Close.
It was close to you. It's wet.
And it could
Would
have
it been safer? There's nothing waiting over there, so
Yeah.
nothing there. So in that
I should have
situation,
gone.
What does amber light mean?
Go if it's safe to
Oh
do
no!
so.
Well, no, it doesn't mean that. No, it does not say that at all. Amber light means stop, unless it's dangerous to stop.
Stop, and that was dangerous to stop.
But i.e. being hit from behind. Now it's wet, and when you think about it, there was less risk to proceed through the amber light than to stop abruptly.
Yes, got it.
Now, if that had happened on test, because you looked behind, you'd said that, you'd have told the examiner, you'd look behind you, you told him by rights, you know what the rules are, and you made a really quality decision.
Yes.
Fourth exit right. We shall get this story out, Martha.
Yes. Sorry.
So. You snort then, Martha.
Yep. But it didn't.
No. Can't hear the indicator, Martha.
Sorry. I am.
Yeah. Good. Well done. See, we are still having a lesson.
Okay.
So let's pick you up in the
Which lane is best to go in?
right-hand lane, third exit right, please, Martha. We're going to go down there. Yeah, it used to be, but it's very easy to just creep into bad, lazy ways where we're looking to see it's okay.
Very lazy.
Now look, that car came out to go left.
Yeah.
You had the right signal on there, very late, stayed over late.
Yeah.
Where do you think that car thought you were going?
Round.
Round to that exit.
Yeah.
So he thought you were staying there, and he came out already to go around to the left. So you missed signal there.
Yeah.
What should have been doing? She'd been looking a lot earlier. Signalled as soon as you got to the island, right-hand side, second exit. Signalled as soon as you got to a point whereby, Marth, it's obvious you're not getting to the petrol station.
Yeah.
No, how are you going to know that if you don't look where you are? Looking there again, they got the left signal here. What benefit is it to anyone?
Okay. So
There's no point putting a signal on there.
yeah.
Who would be benefiting from that left signal?
The people
Coming down there.
Yeah.
People coming up there knowing you're not going around. So the earliest opportunity, the only way you're going to know the earliest opportunity is look.
Yeah.
It's where your trigger point is, which is your island,
Yeah.
isn't it? And that way, you're checking the threat.
Okay. Basically, we have chickens at work that lay eggs. And
Live ones.
yeah.
Yeah.
I made sure that they wouldn't.
They'll
kill
lay them
them
straight into the box, or they.
Yeah, I don't really know what happens. But anyway, where am I going?
Don't know.
Straight there.
They have actually trained chickens to lay them straight into the box to save, cut down money.
So the chickens that we have at work,
Yeah.
are they girls because they lay eggs?
Yes, Martha.
Okay. What's a man chicken called?
Cock.
Okay. What's a hen?
That's a female chicken.
So what's a chicken then?
Chicken's the general. Chicken is the general term.
Right. I hate them.
Is a general term
Anyway.
of which you then get
Okay.
a female version and a male version.
Okay.
You have, Martha, the hen, and you have a cock.
Okay. So. Okay. I've got it.
Okay,
So,
got it. Good.
I refuse to go into the pen.
Yes, because they're dangerous.
No, they're just vile to look at.
Which ones? Chickens or
Chicken.
cocks?
Hen. Cock. The girls.
The girls, the hens.
The hens.
Yes.
They're just like when they give you eye contact, like it sends a shiver down my spine.
Yeah, they've got very evil little lives, haven't they?
I can't even
Turn you right, please.
without feeling sick.
So do you have to collect the eggs? Have they trained them for them
no,
into boxes?
so if we're on a close, we have to help put the chickens away, put them in the pen.
Yeah.
Obviously, you know me.
Yes.
I will refuse till the day I die. Am I
Give me a second.
in?
This is one of lots of hazards. Potential. Don't change it. Perfectly happy where it was. What's that fellow up to? I think he's alright. He hasn't. No, he's alright. He's only approaching. He wasn't actually crossing. No, that's fine. Go on. So where have you gone to the chicken? You've been told to go into a chicken pen to collect the eggs.
I just went to sit with my friend Alice while she was on her shift.
Yeah.
And I was like, "Oh, Alice, do you need to put the chickens away?" She was like, "Oh my god, yeah." So I went with her. Obviously, I just stood outside and filmed it. They are evil
What chickens?
animals.
Yeah.
Bless her. They were jumping up at her, like flying. I had to get people from the pub to come in and help us because there were two chickens that were just refusing
Freezing to what?
to go in the pen. They
Oh,
were just
okay.
jumping at Alice.
Really?
I was honestly being myself. It was the funniest thing I think I've ever watched in my life.
Now tell me, Martha.
Yeah. Oh is this going to be a question?
Please don't. Did you tell anyone about the mines of Weetabix mines, or did you realise?
Oh no, I forgot to. I need to. I'll tell them tonight. Oh, that would have been a good thing to tell my friends.
Yeah. You didn't tell anyone that fun fact.
It kind of went. I've had a lot going on this week.
Have you? Oh,
Yeah.
that's the one I'll keep. It's like a good.
Yeah,
It's like a good wine. That'll store. What we will do, Martha, is override the thing and put our lights on. Because it's misty, it's nasty, it's grey, it's bad visibility. But because it's daytime, the lights don't come on automatically.
Yeah.
So if you have got automatic lights, you've got to keep your wits about you and make sure you turn them on when it's going to be benefiting other people, like now. It's a lovely day.
So nice.
Did you see a little video we put on about you and explaining the Weetabix?
I think so.
You saw that one?
I've hardly been on TikTok.
Have you not?
I've been so busy.
So that's good, have a break.
I had an 18th on Saturday.
Oh yeah? Yeah, take a break from TikTok.
Worked on Sunday and then went back to the pub later on. And then Monday was
Back off,
yesterday.
4 seconds. Why rush so much? And look at the weather, it's
Yeah, I'm
awful.
not enjoying it. To be
So,
honest.
4 seconds. Sit back a bit. Be content at this speed.
Yeah.
You wouldn't expect to go any faster than this. This is not nice conditions.
Okay.
I was going to tell you about the Lego mines as well. Of Denmark.
Lego.
Yeah.
Right.
Well, that's mined as well.
How?
How?
It's plastic. Oh, is this like real life Lego, like brick?
Yeah.
Right. It's in a mine. Seriously,
Denmark.
I did not know.
Plastic comes from oil, doesn't it?
Does it?
Yeah.
I didn't know that. Right. So, what happens? They
I
just
don't
go
know.
and get the oil or the bricks.
Forbes is like sort of secret, isn't it?
Yeah.
Nobody really knows how Lego's made. It's like a company family secret.
Yeah. Wow. Don't move over.
No, Lego's a secret. Nobody knows how it's made.
Really?
No. Yeah, it's like Colonel Sanders' chicken spicy
I hate KFC.
thing, or what other things are a secret recipe?
I don't know.
Tomato ketchup.
Did she got like Barbie mayonnaise? Why does she say it like that?
I don't know.
Barbecue mayonnaise.
Barbecue mayonnaise. Is that a
But
secret?
it was pink.
When? Whose?
Heinz.
Huh?
Heinz. They made like pink barbecue sauce.
Right.
Did you see that? I don't understand how that was made. Because I thought barbecue sauce was brown, so how have they made it literally like pink? I wanted it though, 'cause it was
Perhaps they put something pink in it.
yeah. Maybe.
Is there anything that's pink that's food?
Angel delight.
Yeah, it's not saying natural, is it? It's just dye, isn't it?
Raspberries.
Yeah, they're red, aren't they? It's not really, is there? I'm missing something.
Chicken. Raw chicken.
Oh yeah, that's pink. Don't eat that.
Ugh,
Don't
I
eat that.
hate chicken. I'm too scared to eat it now.
Why?
Because I got food poisoning.
Did you? Hang on. We established it was a hangover.
Well, I'm still scared to eat chicken. I don't like chicken anyway because
I think you're in denial,
I'm not
Martha.
in denial. I know. I can admit when
Oh,
I have a hangover.
had a bit of chicken and
No,
had to wash it down with about 2 bottles of wine and
Yes.
it's poisoned me.
it has. But I'm scared to eat chicken anyway
Why?
because basically
You'll be dead, I
my
assume.
favourite thing in the world is chicken croutons.
Yes, very nice, yeah.
Yeah, lovely with a bit of rice, salad, pasta maybe. Anyway.
I thought you liked the chicken pie with mash.
Oh, I love a chicken
and
pie.
peas.
I love a chicken pie. But I had some really bad chicken croutons the other day that were in my freezer, and I never want to eat them again. They were like, it actually makes me
Were
gag
they
a little
minging?
bit. Yeah, they were not nice.
No.
And it's like, that's my food. Like, that's what I eat. That used to be my favourite dinner, and now it's just ruined. I can't eat them. They're sick. It's horrible.
I I think we'll put today's lesson down as a very wet, extreme wet lesson.
Yeah.
It's not a bad experience, is it?
Really
Taking a left, please, Martha.
It's not enjoyable though, is it?
Yeah. Do you want to drive through a ford?
A ford?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Well, a ford is a natural crossing in a stream where you have to drive through a river. Do you want to drive through it?
Oh, go on then. I'm a bit traumatised from the big puddle that I drove in, but we can do it.
Yeah, that was more than a ford, that was a flood.
That was a river.
Yeah, that was not a good...
I reckon I could have swum in it a little bit. It was quite
It's a bit manky.
deep. Oh, obviously I wouldn't.
It was quite deep. Did it come over the bonnet?
Yeah, but...
I think... You see, there you go. Can't get it right every time, can I?
Was that a better indication?
That was a much better indication. That's it, well done. We might as well drive to the test centre since we're here. Doing the thing again, aren't you? Oh, hang on a minute, you've got to sell my lights.
Yes, we've got to sell your lights.
Very nice drive over. Couple of little things we could... there's always something you can improve.
Yeah.
A little bit. Watch the distance in the wet.
Yeah.
Rain stopped.
It was awful.
Don't have to signal here, Martha. It's just a bend.
Sorry,
Because you're not coming out your lane. Don't put your wipers onto delay mode. That noise of wipers push up. There you go. Hey, nice drive over, Martha.